So here we have a simple one-pot pasta and mushroom dish that's easy and simple to make and easy and simple to clean up.
Let's cook. Start with the noodles. Here I'm using fettuccine. Get the water boiling. Cook the noodles for 10 minutes as recommended on the box. While that's cooking, wash and cut up about half a pound or 1/4 kilo of mushrooms. I like the extra flavor of brown cremini mushrooms, but white is just as good. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Other ingredients are garlic flakes, salt, grated Parmesan cheese, chicken broth or vegetable if you prefer, cream, and some oil. Let's cut up half an onion. And 1/4 of a red pepper. Now, the pasta's done. Drain it and save half a cup of the water for later. Some oil into the pot. Add the cut up mushrooms. Let them fry for about 5 minutes, stirring from time to time. They're starting to shrink and brown nicely. Add the onions. Add the pepper. Add the garlic. And some salt. Another 2 minutes to soften the onions. Add the saved pasta water and let that simmer and thicken for 5 minutes. Add half a cup of chicken broth, simmer some more, cut up a handful of spinach, and add the spinach. Simmer another 2 minutes. Add half a cup of cream. Add a quarter cup of Parmesan cheese. Stir well to break up the lumps. Simmer on low heat for 2 minutes until the sauce starts to thicken. Add back the pasta. See it sticking nicely. Serve. Garnish. Enjoy!
Mushroom pasta in one pot, ready to go.